Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of my podcast. I'm Social Supriya, and I'm really excited to finally start this journey with you. Now, before we get into today's topic, let me quickly tell you who I am and why you should spend your time here. I've been working in social media for past 5 years, and unlike many others in this space, I've also come from a public relations and mass media background. That means I don't just look at likes, shares, and algorithms. I understand human behavior, storytelling, and how audiences actually connect with brands and people online. That's what makes me stand out. And honestly, I know social media can feel like chaos. Whether you are running a brand, trying to grow your career, or even just managing your personal presence online, it gets overwhelming. Too many platforms, too many strategies, too many advice that sounds confusing. That's why I'm here. This podcast is my way of helping you sort through the noise and focus on what actually works for free. So if you've ever felt lost in this digital maze, trust me, you are in the right place. Now let's dive into today's topic. Imagine it's the year 2004. A guy named Phil wants to launch this book. He's excited, motivated, but he has one big problem. How will his book actually reach the right audience? Back then, the only ways to advertise were things like printing ads, billboards, radio, or TV commercials. All of these were expensive, hard to measure, and honestly, very limited. Phil couldn't target the exact people who would actually enjoy his book. So even if his book was great, chances are it might never reach the audience it truly deserved. Now fast forward to today. If Phil were launching his book in 2025, he wouldn't be stuck with those limitations. He would have digital marketing. And among all the digital tools available, search engines, emails, and websites, the most powerful one is social media marketing. Why? Because social media lets you reach the exact audience you want in the exact place they are already spending time. It's relatively inexpensive, it's flexible, and it allows real-time feedback. If Phil wanted to, he could run Instagram ads, Facebook campaigns, YouTube videos, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, and he could see instantly what's working and what's not. That's something traditional advertising could never do. And here's the best part. Social media isn't just about ads. It's about building communities, creating conversations, and understanding audience preferences. From simple posts like images, polls, and blogs to advanced strategies like video ads or interactive campaigns, the opportunities are endless. And here's where most people get stuck. Just posting content isn't enough. If you don't understand your audience, if you don't know what content resonates, and if you don't use the right mix of organic content and advertising, your posts will get lost in the noise. That's the trap Phil fell into in the beginning. He was posting but not reaching enough people. The real growth started when he understood how to use social media platforms strategically. And that's what this podcast is going to be all about. Helping you, whether you are an entrepreneur, a creator, or someone just curious about this space. Figure out how to actually use social media to your advantage. So, to sum up today's lesson, back then, marketing was expensive, limited, and hard to measure. Today, with social media, you have the power to reach exactly who you want. But success doesn't come from just saying online. It comes from strategy, storytelling, and smart use of ads and content. And that's where I come in. I'll be sharing everything I have learned in these past 5 years, the mistakes, the wins, the hacks, the strategies, so you can save time, save money, and actually grow. So, thank you for joining me on my very first episode. This is just the beginning, and I promise you, every episode from here on will give you something useful you can apply right away. I'm Social Supriya, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember, social media doesn't have to be chaos. With the right approach, it can be your biggest superpower.